Timileyin Ajayi, a 32-year-old man, has been remanded in custody at the Nasarawa State Police Command Criminals Investigation Department in Lafia, the state capital. His arrest stems from allegations of murdering his girlfriend, identified as Salome Adaidu, a 24-year-old member of the National Youth Service Corps who worked at Nikon Insurance in Abuja. The incident occurred when Salome reportedly visited Timileyi's residence in the Papalana axis of New Karshi, Karu local government area of Nasarawa State. Ajayi was taken into custody and brought to the Nasarawa State Police Command headquarters from Karshi development area in Karu.
That day, I invited her to come to my house, so she came. She was asking me for transport. I thought I didn't have. She now came. So when she came, she was asking me for 3,000. I told her, me too, I don't have 3,000. I'm only managing myself. She said, no, I said she will stay like that. She can't stay. I can't go buy no more. She can't stay. As she stay, that's how the whole thing starts. She can't say she's hungry. I can't tell her and say, make she relax. Food they come. She can't say, no, wala. Said she go wait, wait food come. And she can't wait. She can't wait. Oh, her body temperature can't rise. Because she's hungry, they marry her. I can't go marry Indomie for her. She can't carry noodles come. How I want to prepare them? She was asking. I told her, it's the way I want to prepare it. She can't say no wahala. I just make sure so I cook and say she nice. I can't cook and she can't nice. She can't nice the thing. She can't go. Her food can't ready. I can't serve her the food. That was how the whole thing started.